Hello friends, welcome to another video on Tutorials Point. My name is Richa. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which is really close to my heart, and that is tips on how to improve or have a clear skin. Well, until about a couple of years back when I was in my teenage years, I used to have a pathetic skin. The reason why I used to hate my skin was because it was full of blemishes, pimples, dark spots, acne, and I don't know what all else. Well, that really made me feel underconfident. I used to not feel like meeting new people. I used to shut myself in a room without getting out to meet anybody. It made me realize that having a good skin or a clear skin and confidence is closely related, and hence I wanted to study more on how to have a clear skin. Now, given the kind of lifestyle that we all are leading nowadays, the kind of hectic lifestyle that we have, it becomes difficult, or rather I would say that you might feel that taking care of skin is a very challenging task. But trust me, today the kind of tips and tricks I will share with you, these kind of tips are not really time consuming. They are fairly simple and really easy to do. So let's get started on how to improve your skin and how to really have a clear skin type. So friends, tip number one to have a clear skin is really you need to know your skin type. For that, you need to visit a dermatologist and understand what kind of skin you have so that you can use products which are specifically for your skin type. Everybody has a different skin type. You may have a dry skin, you may have an oily skin, a sensitive skin, a dry skin, oily T-zone, etc. You need to know your skin type, and that is something only a professional person studying skin type can tell you. Yes, you need to visit a dermatologist and know your skin type. So that's tip number one, know your skin type. Tip number two, to have a clear skin, you need to drink plenty of water. Well, personally, my friends make a lot of fun of me because they call me a water tanker. I drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. What you have is what your skin is all about. You need to keep your skin hydrated, and for that particular reason, it's important to have at least 10 glasses of water in a day. So wherever you are, whichever situation you are in, it's important to keep a bottle of water ready for you all the time. So that's tip number two, have plenty of water. Friends, tip number three to have a clear skin is you need to use only natural cleansers. Yes, we are so influenced by the kind of advertisements we see all around us, meaning the commercials that we see on TV, print ads, etc., where we see these models really using different kind of products on their skin. Let's not forget, these products have a lot of chemicals. Chemicals are not good for our skin. Hence, it becomes important to use only natural and herbal products on our skin, and also they are very pocket friendly. You do not have to invest a lot of money on products which have these chemicals which are really not doing much good to our skin, rather they are harming our skin. So tip number three is use only natural and herbal products on your skin. Friends, my tip number four to improve and have a clear skin is ensure that you have a proper nutritious diet. Yes, it's very important. The reason being, our skin is what we eat and drink. So it's important that you have only good nutritious diet. Try and include a lot of veggies, green vegetables, fruits, etc. in your diet. Say no to fried food, say no to junk food. I know it's very difficult to do because you start craving for junk food after a point of time. It's good to cheat few times, but try and limit those number of cheats. You can go for junk food or fried food during a weekend, probably just a meal of that. Hence, during the rest of the days of the week, ensure that you have a lot of salads, soups, etc., which are easy on your stomach as well as help you to have a clear skin. Friends, my next tip or tip number five to improve your, or rather have a clear skin, is ensure that you wear less of makeup, and even more important is to remove all traces of makeup before you hit the bed at night. Well, it's a proven research that if you go to bed with makeup on, it can have a disastrous effect on your skin the next morning. So wear less makeup. If at all you do wear, try and remove all traces of makeup before you sleep at night. That's another tip to improve your skin tone. Do not feel lazy or lethargic or careless and leave your makeup on. Ensure you remove it however tired you might be. That's next tip for improving your skin or having a clear skin is having a great happy lifestyle. Try to be happy as much as you can. Stress, anxiety, depression, all of that can create havoc on our skin type. Hence, it's important, try and be happy, try and have positive thoughts, and generally interact with good and happy people. You will see that reflect on your skin by adding a glow on your skin. So that's my next tip to improve your skin type. Friends, my next tip to improve or have a clear skin is do not stay in the sun for too long. Yes, it's important to take care of your skin by protecting it from the ultraviolet rays of the sun by ensuring you wear a sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 15 to 20 whenever you are stepping out in the sun. Sun rays can really damage your skin and make it dark and pigmented. Hence, it's important whenever you're stepping out in the sun, ensure that you have taken care of your skin by wearing a correct sunscreen on your skin. My next tip to improve your skin is ensure that you are exercising a minimum 30 minutes of any exercise during a day. Whatever exercise you like, be it running, jogging, swimming, or any kind of sport which helps you to sweat, that's important. And hence, that's my next tip. Try and exercise. It keeps your body fit, also adds a glow to your face, and let's not forget, it gives you a clear skin. My last tip to improve your skin is by ensuring that you wash your face thoroughly at least 2 to 3 times in a day. Yes, it's important to wash your skin because whenever we step out in the daytime or at night, there are a lot of bacteria, etc. which come and settle on our face. So ensure you wash your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, not very cold or not very hot. Lukewarm water, use it to wash your face thoroughly and pat it dry without rubbing it with a towel or a tissue. So friends, I have enjoyed thoroughly teaching you these modules, or rather this particular module on how to have a clear skin. A quick recap on what are the kind of tips we can use to improve our skin. Well, we need to ensure that we exercise daily at least 30 minutes. We need to have a clear skin by knowing our skin type. We also need to have a clear skin by following a nice nutritious diet, drinking plenty of water, ensuring that we are protecting our skin before stepping out in our sun by using a proper sunscreen, washing our face with a nice lukewarm water to ensure that we are removing all the bacteria from our face, and last but not the least, ensuring that we are taking plenty of rest and having plenty of water to take care of our skin. We have enjoyed teaching you this particular module. Keep watching, more videos coming up. Till then, thank you and take care, and bye-bye.